Logical inquiry on breast cancer. Western medicine views breast cancer as a disease resulting from uncontrolled cell growth in breast tissue. The following internal mechanisms are typically highlighted. Genetic mutation. Mutation in genes such as BRCA1 and BRCA2, which normally help repair DNA, are known to increase the risk. The hormonal influence. Long-term exposure to estrogen and progesterone, particularly from early menstruation or late menopause, is considered a risk factor. Cell cycle disruption. Disruption in the normal process of cell division leads to tumor formation. Age-related degeneration. As the body ages, DNA repair mechanisms weaken, increasing the chance of cancerous mutation. Other identified risk factors: family history, radiation exposure, dense breast tissue, lifestyle-related metabolic imbalances such as obesity or excessive alcohol use, smoking. Treatment approaches generally involve surgery, lumpectomy, or mastectomy, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, targeted biological therapy. Each approach seeks to remove, destroy, or control cancerous cells. These cells are treated as enemy, something to be eliminated at all costs. This mindset is not only deeply rooted in the medical community, but also widely accepted by most patients. Rarely do people pause to ask, what if we approach this so-called enemy with a different mindset? Personal level causes according to Western medicine. Western medicine recognizes that individual lifestyle and environmental exposure contribute to cancer risk. Dietary habit. High-fat diet, processed food, and insufficient fiber are implicated in increased cancer risk. Obesity and lack of exercise linked to chronic inflammation and excess estrogen storage in fat tissue. Alcohol consumption and smoking, both are non-carcinogen. Chronic stress. Though not fully quantified, stress is believed to affect immune function and hormonal balance. Exposure to toxin. Prolonged contact with endocrine-disrupting chemicals, example BPA, paraben, found in plastic, cosmetic, and industrial pollutants. In this view, while some causes are genetic or age-related, many are considered modifiable through lifestyle. In our video course on health from head to toe, brain, Parkinson, dementia, stroke, similar personal level causes are listed by Western practitioners. We also make a logical inquiry into the validity of such claims and offer different root causes. Western medicine on the prevention of breast cancer. Prevention strategies promoted by Western medicine include regular screening. Mammogram and clinical breast exam are the front line in earlier detection. Genetic testing. For those with a strong family history, testing for BRCA mutation is advised. Medication. Hormone-blocking drugs like tamoxifen are sometimes used as preventive agent in high-risk women. Lifestyle recommendation. Maintain a healthy weight, engage in regular physical activity, limit alcohol intake, eat a balanced diet, avoid smoking. Preventive surgery for high-risk individuals, prophylactic mastectomy or oophorectomy may be considered. There are so many different types of cancer, chronic diseases like Parkinson, dementia, stroke, etc. Should people be busy visiting hospital to do screening, testing, taking medication in order to have disease-free life? Dissecting the above with logical reasoning. Let's now apply clear rational analysis to assess what we have just reviewed. If genetics were the sole cause, why do many women with no family history still develop breast cancer? If hormones are central, why do some women with high lifetime estrogen exposure never develop it, and others with moderate level do? If prevention is focused solely on early detection, are we truly preventing the disease or merely catching it after it has already begun quietly and invisibly? And if we do detect it earlier, what then? In the framework of Western medicine, the next step is often predictable. Wait for it to grow big enough, then attack and destroy it like an enemy. But must this always be the approach? Is there no room to ask, are there ways to restore health rather than only destroy disease? If lifestyle contributes significantly, why does cancer still appear in individuals with seemingly perfect habit? Is removal of tissue mastectomy a cure? Or does it assume that the problem is localized, ignoring potential systemic imbalance? Can we separate the person's lived experience, emotion, and environment from purely biological causes? These questions are not designed to refute medical science, but to expand the discussion beyond rigid boundaries. A broader perspective, the invitation forward. Breast cancer, like many chronic diseases, cannot be fully understood through biology alone. The body is not just a machine of cell and gene. It is an expression of one's lived reality, mental state, relationship, environment, and spirit. This chapter has examined what Western medicine says and questioned it using logic. We now invite you to widen your lens and explore the emotional and symbolic role of the breast in a woman's identity and relationship, the energy body and psychomatic interpretation of illness, how cultural, spiritual, and ecological view can enrich our understanding of health. This perspective will be unfolded in the following chapter, not as replacement for science, but as necessary complement. In the chapter ahead, we will continue to explore the root causes of breast cancer. When the causes are truly understood, the power to heal or even prevent breast cancer and other chronic illnesses begin to return to your own hand. Let this upcoming lesson be a journey of awareness, empowerment, and hope.